That's Mark, that's me in the Washington, and that's Congo over here with Evan. And we're against everybody else.
I can remember button to do what, there we go, okay. I don't really want to fuck with this thing too much.
I know. Call 5. I mean 30-second moss.
30-second moss then. I'm stuck on that.
Yep. Call 30-second moss, and I'll go ahead and just get it off the rock then. I mean, nobody else is shooting at you right now. But that's what you get for plinking at me from a distance. Make sure you're not sinking.
Oh, Bobby.
Make sure you're not sinking. Well, I tell you what, I must be nobody.
Turn your pump on and pump it out.
Nobody can hear me.
All the way.
Cannon's not shooting on that side.
They do that from time to time.
That's why we check them.
It's the VDT. I mean, it's like a whole day of battling, and then it starts to act right.
Well, that thing is kind of weak.
Yeah, we're gonna have to tweak it. I'm missing my nose lead. Keep your pump on.
Yeah, not having this thing buttonized, I don't know which ones to push to make the cannons do what I need them to do.
What'd you do? You mossed up again? Oh.
There we go, that's the one that's working.
Uh-oh. I think you mossed up so bad you seized one of the drive shafts up.
You can call 30-second moss. Oh, yes, that's boy. I'm out already. Boy, I used up a lot of BBs, I think, on that King Edward over there.
Yeah, definitely need the push buttons in this.
Why?
Because this is...
Oh shoot! Look out!
What are you doing, Bubby?
Oh shoot! Grab her leg!
Oh,
Damn it!
Bubby.
Okay, man in the water. Man in the water. I'll call it.
I tried to...
What happened?
Just stop moving.
She was trying to. The boat was going in reverse, so she had to save it. So in saving it, she lost herself.
Run the drive a minute. I think one of the drive shafts came on.
Oh, nice day.
I'm sorry we didn't get you fast enough. Somebody that loved you should have probably grabbed your ankles.
It was too late for
But
I dove.
yeah, I couldn't get rid of my radio fast enough.
Grab your controller
He's got it. Yeah.
and empty your guns. They're full of water now. So
Hey,
don't wanna go
good job saving the boat. Good job. give it.
See if you can empty it.
Yeah, just
It just went on its own. Went crazy.
yeah, it started going reverse, and so she had to grab it, and as you know,
How did you manage to keep your back